Hey there, welcome back. So I got a pretty cool new device here to share with you. This is Smokpub. It is a electronic ignition cocktail smoker. So no need for that butane torch, no need for going out to get butane when it runs out, no need to worry about that open flame. And this thing actually will cook and burn those chips even faster. So what a great gift. Idea. As I mentioned, it's rechargeable. So you have a little USB cable here. This comes in a nice kind of gift packaging here. We have this smoker itself. So this is just two pieces. You've got the screen here where you're going to put your wood chips. You got your charger with a button on the top. So once your wood chips are in, which we'll demo here in a minute, put it back on, set it on your glass. I think we have a little cleaning brush here that you can use to clean out the screen. There is going to be a spoon for measuring out your chips. We've got a container of oak chips, hickory, cherry, but that's not all. We have pear, apple, and beech. So all of that in this nice little gift box here. So let's check that out. So we've got the beech, the apple, the pear, the oak, hickory, and cherry. 6 containers of wood chips, a manual, the smoker itself, our little device for scooping out the chips, cleaning out the item, and a charger. So to my surprise, here at my cabin, I did not actually have any cocktail glasses that are not like Yetis that you wouldn't be able to see through. So we're going to use a little wine glass here with some water in it just for demonstration purposes. And I've already charged this up. And let's just grab some apple chips here. We're going to open it up, nice and full. So we're going to take this apart and use our little scoop here. The one thing it did say was just make sure that you don't have chips above the edge here, which makes sense. So I'm going to put 3 little scoops in there, close this up so I don't knock it over. Those are nice finely chopped up chips. I've got my smoking device here, the lid, and we're just going to put that back on there. Now this says that it's going to cook those chips a lot faster than you would get from a butane torch. So 2 seconds versus 4 seconds, something like that. So we're going to hold the button down here. There you go. Nice, perfect smoked cocktail. That's pretty cool. So with each charge, it says you get about 130 times that it will smoke chips for you. So that's pretty cool. So this is the Smokpub. And if you like your smoky cocktails, I think this is a lot easier and a lot quicker to use, a lot more convenient than dealing with a butane torch. And that just barely used some of those chips. So there's enough chips in there for quite a few more cocktails. Let's do that one more time. We're going to put it on there. I'm going to hold this down until I get a flashing green light, and then one push. It's nice and quiet. Hold the button down again to turn it off. There is your smoky cocktail. Pretty darn nice. If you're interested in picking one of these up, they're on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description and in the comments. And if you don't mind, hit that like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.